In this video, we'll be making a rough sketch of the function f of x equals 5x squared plus 4x minus 1. The coordinates of the vertex are found by plugging in negative b over 2a, that's our x coordinate, and then plug in that number into the function, so f of negative b over 2a, or the function evaluated at that x value would give the corresponding y value. The a and b are 5 and 4. So that's ax squared plus bx plus c. So 5 is a and 4 is the b. C is negative 1. That's not used in this vertex formula, but just because you might be familiar with that. All right, let's evaluate this then. Let's evaluate negative b over 2a. So the opposite of 4, so negative 4 and then over 2 times a, or 2 times 5 in this case. That gives you negative 2/5, simplifying that. All right, that's our x coordinate. I'll put equals x, and I'll put it over here also, negative 2 over 5. For our y coordinate, again, we're going to take that value and plug it in for x and evaluate that. So let's see that. I'll say y equals f of negative 2/5. So that is 5 times negative 2/5 squared plus 4 times 2/5 and then minus 1. So let's simplify this. So we have negative 2/5 times negative 2/5 because it's squared equals a positive 4/25. And then plus 4 times 2/5 is 8/5, and then we still have the minus 1 tagging along. So that's going to give us 4/5 plus 8/5 minus 1, and I'll just keep going with that. That'll be 12/5 minus 5/5. That's our 1 is 5/5, and 4/5 plus 8/5 is 12/5. So 12 minus 5 is 7, so we have 7/5. 7/5. So that will be our y coordinate of the vertex. Okay, let's make a rough sketch of the coordinate plane. There we go. We've got our x and y coordinates. The parabola's vertex will be at a negative 2/5 and 7 in the x direction, positive 7/5 in the y direction. So I'll just make a rough sketch here, just like that. Negative 2/5 is going to be about right here. Positive 7/5 will be up about 1 2/5, so it'll be about right there. Okay, and this is going to go up because this is a positive coefficient on the x squared. So this will go up like this. So this is going to be the look of the parabola. I want to redraw that one because it didn't come out so great. There we go. Just a rough sketch there of the parabola. A couple other things to note here. We have an axis of symmetry. The axis of symmetry is always just that line that goes through, that vertical line that goes through the vertex. So that axis of symmetry is going to be x equals negative 2/5. It's not part of the graph. This purple line is not part of the graph. It's just a line. I've made it dashed there to show you that it's to show you the axis of symmetry, but it doesn't, it's not like a part of the graph. Just the blue is what you would see if you were to plot all of the points for this graph. Okay, so there you have it. You found a parabola with the vertex and the axis of symmetry. I'll label that, just so you know what that is all about. And that's going to do it. And that's really all there is to graphing a quadratic equation, a quadratic function. I hope that helps.